Hey, what's up, guys? So today we're here for the Mission Cup tournament draw, and with me right here is Pastor Thomas and Mr. Kuma. Pastor Thomas will draw from the ballots, I guess the plot, whatever. We have 6 teams here, and he'll be picking 3 teams out of the 6 teams, and those 3 teams will stay in one group, and the remaining will stay in another group. We may have additional teams between now and November 3rd, but right now we have 6 teams. Okay, the first team is Maryland Mizo Blue Team. They are the contenders. They go to one group, and we'll see who goes with them. Okay, Lightning Cowboys. These guys are mainly from CBC team. They were the runner-up at CYO. They're a very, very good team. Oh, okay, and Frederick United. Frederick United are also a very, very good team. They're contenders. All right, so we have the 3 teams in one group, and the remaining team, the remaining 3 teams. CBMC, very good team. Zomi FC and Maryland Chin FC will be in another group. So we have this group and that group. So the group is decided. Do you guys have anything to say? So do they name?
Team Hotel Zong Tay is swimming to wake up with you. They Mizo Wesleyan Mission joining Mission Sumson Lana in Tuni Kantimega in Hotel Vangin Kanlomeva. Joan Hemi Sport Mirotel Puhi Rongbonani in Hotel Dika Namani Tewa in Riola. The John is so point. Tuma Hey Mani Fatina Su at the Yankan Nakina Kanin Kalpuna Po. Hey, Rongbonani di Rien me care there with more law and tucking in film me can in Keldon the Tika can do so near Kalome.
Kunarunga General Ja the Lubono, Dima Chide Mesumia Labiro, Bolum, Pue, Bawende Kama, Dima Pue, Chapwe, Bawende, Sura General Tilu. Pertama cenderung wan tabare di Haga cenderung Mizo Wesleyan Church Maryland kani cimu cimpare pertama ajain boy pide rapi miao ye dwe pawan lare Mizo mi alu cito kritoma ngeku monama mi alu ku cizu timare no pero dagaro kunarunga cenderung tire time Tatana Pew ye dwe yan pungwe siabwe chimpide ra yuyu dana mohu raja pawanlare akasa shimya longo phaya de khinga le kaunchi pi me phibare aru bolum kane khama le chichi khinkhin damahong time ho bane damati ma chichimita ne akasa seita shire Agasani Mune Pawan Javalu Anunyu Drong Pampiro Diari Piro Crito Nama Api Kongchiming La Pibare Sizutimare.
Alright, thank you very much, guys. So we'll post the detailed messages, the rules and regulations about indoor soccer, even though I'm sure most of you already know, and that will be on Facebook and everywhere, text messages, and you guys know where. So that's the team, and we'll see you November 3rd, 9 a.m. sharp to 6. Bye, guys.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Sure.